Hai acquistato di nuovo articoli di troppo. Su Vinted puoi vendere le cose che non ti servono più e guadagnare soldi extra. Scarica l'app.
Puoi
provare Clear Blue con risultati digitali chiari. Test di gravidanza Clear Blue con indicatore delle settimane.
Good afternoon, guys. I wanna say join the video and share, okay? Mona can't listen. Another breaking news. I have to remember this my shirt. Please guys, love and like and share, okay? Invite others. I'm trying to share. Let me see. Oh yeah. This one here. So I feel they see comments. Yeah, so where were we? Oh, I never share with this phone. I use this one share too. Please, my people, good afternoon. As you are joining, share the video, okay? Share the video. When I invite these three people. Thanks for joining Mama Chelsea. When I invite these three people, come. I want to lecture them, okay? I want to lecture them. Please guys, as you are joining me here, okay? Come and listen to everything that happened between me and the late Abiyengo. Okay? I think the music is okay. I don't really need to play music. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, according to your time. And if you are seeing this face or this person for the very first time, this is your one and only, the Queen's Talk Show. You can easily still call me VIP Queen. You get why? So my people, why I want to do this video? Yeah, because you see this life. Sometimes some things go on, or some things go happen. So you as a person, you know you need to get pepper body, or can they react over that thing, or can they, you know, your chi, you let that thing spread if possible. If the thing won't spread, let them spread. But deep down in you, you know the truth, and you know fully well. Say, wait till you they talk, not the truth, and no let anybody pressure you or to come change math or to come you know wetin you know say it be true. You come dey say na lie. Don't try it. Even if you dey station, stand your ground till infinity. Why I dey do this video, my wonderful people, my lovers, people wey support me right from when this whole issue happened. I'm not doing this video because I want people to say, oh, Queen. I don't want people to say, oh, let Abieyiwa a bad person. No. She was a good person. Nobody is perfect. She get her own upside down. I'm not doing this video because I want you people to support me. No. I just want reasonable people where they out there. I go play Abieyiwa audio. Alright? I go play her audio. The reason why I want to play her audio is because of having misquant multi way or we might forgive you way. So with our audio and a word from our own mouth, we go know. Did I really offend her? Me and she really get problem? I saga her, or you understand? We go know. Una they get me? We go know whether me and she get problem, or we get issue, or we get quarrel, or if this makeup, when me make up, it be like. So say I not for no makeup. Una they get me, my people. So una will come read down. Una will come like I want because I'll be playing all this like how this matter starts. Now I want inform una so for those who don't know. I offend her, be I no offend her. Una ba una self go know. If na me and she get problem, when she come media, come talk say me and she get problem with the word of her mouth, una go know. Wetin cause quarrel between me and this lady before presenters wey no know as something take happen, come escort her make she go carry juju go swear. Una go still know with this conversation. Now, my people, I promise you guys, maybe after this video, I will not be talking about the late Abieyiwa. Okay, thanks for joining my lady, Mama Desuwa. I will not be talking about her. Why? Because except people push me or people really want to make I talk about her. Like the Mama Joy now. Yeah, what did they call Pikin just now? Where I write that book, put my book did that side. Mama Joy, Don Prince. The allegation where they place on me, if not true or false, even the Abieyiwa, the thing where she talk to me indoors say it cost me and her quarrel, and the thing where she talk on media say it cost me and her quarrel, una go hear from her mouth. If not true, una ba una self, una go read meanings to it. This one not be say Queen fabricated or Queen do this one. As people they deny, they feel they deny. They feel they deny. But they no go feel that is anonymous what they talking. So my people, that is few years of thanks for joining Mama Rita the best analyzer. Please guys, more than me thumbs up and share, okay? Few years ago, if you don't they go 1 year now, right? Abieyiwa come online. She can't go call for one man platform for Germany. She said me Queen. She said I dey insult her. She said I dey bully her. She said I dey drag her. Even the man tell her say, Mama, I don't see say Queen insult you. She say me insult her. Say na wetin people tell her. She not call me to ask me. Oh. She come online, come they drag me. They bully me and my family. She come online, come change the narrative, come talk something else. Something where they say, even me myself, when I hear, I was like, where all this one for they come out? Like, when all these things they happen? Why I not they aware? Guys, now no say we don't enter summer. Okay? I could say, why I not they aware when all these things they happen? She lied that lie on me. People believe. People, hey, could they go? Una call they ask her for money. Una call they beat her for money. So guys, this audio when I won't play so. This one na when me with Abiewa get issue. When she voiced, not be audio, not be record, it was a voice note where she voiced to me. Where she dey tell me, say, Queen, I tell you, say, make you not talk for this matter. You still can't dey talk. Why? She said, make I not talk for matter. It was because of Frank. Okay? It was because of Frank. Now they get me. Frank, they bully me. They drag me. Say she buy me chain. She buy me this. She buy me that. No. Me, I can't lock up. I not talk. I off the Bluetooth today here. Because one thing about me, I know sabi lie. If I don't want to talk, I don't want to talk. If I want to talk, you yourself, you even dey imagine say, now so this matter be. The matter where they drag me, where Don Prince with Mama Joy carry for head. Let me start to play it for you guys. Make I feel okay, but I say don't connect. Let's start with waiting fair cause quarrel. First thing where it cause quarrel, I don't fair talk before for my past video. So I want play them again. This one, when this one take happen, this one after she don't block me during this girl saga. One girl, when I know that girl where she say make I go saga, no one they call that one name for my platform. Cause anything I call that one name put again for here na party. So she wanted me to go saga that one. Say because that one they use if they give that one money, that one they meet where they did, that one they chop the money, that one they afraid Frank, that one they do this one, that one they do that one. Me cut say me no go. She can't block me, which it was okay, everybody move on. Then the day she unblocked me, when she did drop all this message, voice note for me, was when Epai Bizugbe and Frank get issue. What caused that issue? It was Christmas period. Epai Bizugbe come out with a family, come they dance. And I remember that time. The Epai Bizugbe wife zip in, I don't know whether it open. Frank can go screenshot and say the woman wear trouser as zip open. Frank can they use and saga Epai Bizugbe wife. Now they get me. Frank can they use and saga Epai Bizugbe wife. Where Epai Bizugbe te verse. Can they saga Frank. Frank and Epai Bizugbe can get issue. Then Mona listen. The lady can talk say the lady don't follow everywhere. She don't know how she want to stop Epai Bizugbe with Frank saga. She can say na me queen. Na I tell Epai Bizugbe make it con de saga her. Epai Bizugbe no saga her. Epai Bizugbe de saga Frank. Na Epai Bizugbe with Frank get issue. Now Frank screenshot Epai Bizugbe wife jeans come outside say that lady zip open. Me self I don't see any zip way open. Frank put that life for the woman. I can't saga that woman. They saga me also. Frank even they saga me. And I remember during that time of she buy chain for me. And I know saying every day Frank got the saga me. Then after Frank got the saga Epai Bizugbe, if I even the saga Epai Bizugbe say no talk. But when he can't carry the thing, go meet his wife. The thing can't verse Epai Bizugbe. Epai Bizugbe can't they reply. Frank, so two of them can't get issue. This lady can't unblock me, can't write me again, say, na me go tell Epai Bizugbe, make it can't the saga her. Whereas Epai Bizugbe no saga her. She did that to blackmail me. Because she knows if she tell me like that, she knows say, now only me one still come Epai Bizugbe down, say, Epai Bizugbe, why you they follow Frank, they talk? Well, say, Frank, yeah, you understand. Really, and I waiting, I do. So make una listen. I don't know the one of fair play. Whether na our own accusation. Okay, let me first of all play her accusation. Where she take accuse me say, na me go tell Epai Bizugbe to come the saga her. And she come online, come to say, she with Epai Bizugbe no get issue. She say na me and she get issue. Meanwhile, she come my inbox, come tell me say, na she with Epai Bizugbe get issue. Wanna listen to this place. It's
busy. When Queenie, is busy. When they busy 24 hours.
not the least.
He was here. When he was here 24 hours. My say not here. A Frank is Sagawe. A Frank no Sagawe.
This place, so where she talks, so this one are one of the things where me self on the verse for her. Now yeah, wait till she talk for them. Because I gave her voice note to say, you go they complain, say people they saga Frank. You not see and say Frank they saga me. Now she come they ask me say, a Frank is saga away. The Frank is not saga away. She they always support Frank. Anytime Frank they bully me and my family. I mean, even when Frank bring my family picture come out, she they support Frank. She go say she not see him. But you they date the guy. She go say she no see him. That thing if make me the verse for her because if I want to reply Frank, she no go green. Queen name the sweet for their saga. No problem. Now me be queen. When I no get shaking. Now they get me. She go say Frank. You know, now you what she talk yesterday say, hey, Frank is saga we. The Frank is not saga we. I bet my people. Now no see the time during this period when me talk so about that jewelries, Frank called the saga. I get the video, I downloaded all those videos. I can still bring them out. Una no see say Frank called the saga me. But she they ask me say which of the Frank saga me. So I already know her. Now wait till I don't know her put say she know they even when I will tell her say Frank they insult me. I want go meet her, I want go saga her. He go say no. Man, no go. Which I don't feel they tell her before. Even some of the money where they say dash queen money, it dash queen money. Once she sees all those things, all they vex me. She'll come say, Queen, I worry. Yeah, she go no. For that saga, so where Frank saga me, I una go hear yours now. Money where she be promised to give me. Make I not even answer Frank, but I know my Frank. But I kick that money through way. I come aside and answer Frank. Mona de listen. Here joy don't prince. Mona consider so now see video analyze. I dey come for una own because una know fully whether this woman is not innocent. Now say me go carry juju. More listen continue guys.
$50 go fine. Upon the $1 go. I beg. Rose, yatuta.
This conversation. Una hear wetin she dey talking. This one after she don't call for that man platform for Gemini. This one now after she don't call for that man platform for Gemini. Where she don't you understand? This one after she don't call that man platform. Now we do this conversation. When me take come out, what take provoke, come outside. Now she take send me this voice notes. Now they get me so. When she take us say me call the talk say she they give me $50, those $100. Even if she give me 1 cent, say you understand when she got me say I bet I told her more see they more na they listen. For those way they talk say you not forgive you, he say not forgive you. Can't listen you because when a boy buwa you will be like fin for na high. Mona can't listen.
Kuya tota. I know the verse on you. I know the verse on you. I still love you. I love everybody. You are still my Dora. Anything. You are still my Dora.
Iye joy don't prince. Iye joy don't prince. She been at 12 when I say the woman tell her say she not forgive me. Do you hear this? This one after we don't even do better bass. Even this one family don't even involve. She don't even they call my family. For she to even me, I don't make my family safe. Made her join. You get where she could even they talk say bad wedgie. She could even they laugh me. That was why I stopped talking about her. After this conversation, I'm not talking about her again. I leave her. I continue with my doings. They do my things. Before this useless, a don't princivier joy no war. Ne boak bedi neni. Do you hear? You hear what she talk? She say, you are still my daughter. Get where she did talking. She say, no matter what, you are still my daughter. So, you were born who send a message. Because I don't know send a message. I never play and finish. Make una see the listen. She go talk. Waiting I do her now. Where the vessel. Where make all these bass full media can't reach today. We never reach there. We are going there. Now they get me so. More listen for that, guys. Please, my people, wanna share this video.
My wife, what to my wife, I'm shopping. I pay shopping.
You hear? She say, "Ma wife going. It's a ma when I want me shopping. Ya pay shopping." Thanks for joining, Mary Ojo. Those of you who say, "I got the answer money. I got the answer money. I got the answer money." This is the real Abiyayiwa for you. Except you don't know her. That's why they look many of them they talk. Wama Abiyayiwa. I na Abiyayiwa who. Now she they give. Did you hear that place where she talk? Say, me and she talk. She tell me say she go give me money take carry shop. Not even jewelries who wanna they talk jewelries. No be jewelries. You know how much of stuff for Europe. Did you hear that? She use her mouth to talk about herself. Say she go give me shop money. Did you hear say she talk say me ask her money? Now the one finish Frank with Saga that period sharp. Because now Frank they find trouble. Frank was so pained that we are close to the lady. And Frank they find trouble. You don't see person will go there, you don't they fight her. Frank too they find trouble. So una they hear the woman ain't they promise by herself. Except say you no know her. If you want to do birthday, the woman yes, you want to bet. If you tell you say this your birthday, I'll buy you 2 cows. You don't need to ask her, except you don't know her, or except she don't like you. She fit tell you say this thing where you want to so I go give you, I go buy car for you. If she tell you she go do one, except say you don't know her, you know they ask, you know go ask. You hear where she talk, say, me and she talk. She tell me, say, she go give me money, take carry shop. Which I was not interested. A chain I did, the old media, they shake. Chain, the old media, they shake. So I don't even need anything. I just need to be alone, be on my own. Do my things. As I they talk. I know they hungry. I know to get, but I know they borrow. I know they borrow. Let's continue, my people. To the this part, I will take it back. Make una listen. Owe ohama muime. Mena wene pa ibizugbe ya tie bonema. No si kenye. Ubi da e maso Frank. Pa bizugbe kon de saga Frank. Pa bizugbe have never insulted her family or anything around her apart from Frank. Now waiting cause me with her issue with this. I will play it again and listen. Let me take it back.
I don't see guy me where?
Let me take it back. Wait. Let me take it back.
Adora. My wife got to my wife, I'm shopping. I pay shopping. One man more, now when you visit by a table, my no see guy me where?
This is what really happened. She say me go tell Ipa Ibizugbe say make Ipa Ibizugbe call the Saga Frank. Una they see that kind of thing. And now Frank bring Ipa Ibizugbe wife come outside with zip trouser over there to do Christmas. Me no know whether the zip day, whether zip no day. If Frank in now women, then go bring that one wife come outside. Ipa Ibizugbe na fall out for Frank too. She come they talk say, na me go tell Ipa Ibizugbe, make Ipa Ibizugbe come outside. Come the Saga Frank. You see, I keep my comments because she don't buy. Yes, nobody, Mona not even insult her. He said, don't Prince, why you lie, say Abenwa, no forgive Queen. You see? You see these hungry people, don't Prince with Iye Joy, Kekulala. I get message for the end of this video because I'm not gonna mate again for this media. Two of them combine together, I'm not gonna mate. You are. Because I don't pay my dues for this media. All those times where this woman go platform, go they drag me, they insult me. Did you see me come outside to say may I play our audio, make I control? But me and her and Ipa Ibizugbe and God know say now waiting cause quarrel with this. I go play as I talk to Ipa Ibizugbe just now. You know I called Ipa Ibizugbe. I talk to Ipa Ibizugbe. Mona no worry. Mona just listen. I just laugh. Let me just play it again without stopping it. So for those who go screen record, may they see something analyze.
Queenie, they busy. When they busy 24 hours. He was here. When he was here 24 hours.
She they laugh now. Quarter Facebook. Why she they laugh now? I wait in your gear Queenie because the whole media they shake. All of them, hey, Mary, Agboma, yes, Agboma, you una hear anywhere she talk, say, Igo no me, Marie Nue, or say, Una yaso, or no me, go message Nue, Una yaso, no day. No day. No day. But I know how people drag me on this media. I know how people, Ogboma yese, Iyawa yese, Iyawa yese. Why una be like that? Why una be like that? Person, waiting she briefed for me was different. She said, Ipa Ibizugbe the saga, which Ipa Ibizugbe never saga this lady. Ipa Ibizugbe the saga Frank, because Frank bring his wife trouser. I can't go screenshot, I can't rule her, can't bring her whether the zip no open. Now no Frank the saga that one. You get? Me know your top. Me your day. I just day. Because even the Frank matter don't they vex me. Frank go they saga me. The woman will say me I not talk. So me why I call me your day my own pain. At that point, me day my own. That is I they pass through my own pain. My pain was Frank go they saga me. I know if it talk. Like, he did me. So me, I already did that trap. Me now why? I just be like, I don't know what someone. Me, I just come to look. Now she just say, carry Ibizugbe or committee. Say, now me go tell Ibizugbe. I person say, "Queen, see your fine face." The face never fine. I don't know what I rub. Me, they see my face now. I don't know as I do. I don't know what I be inside. Now they get. I always find without no makeup. People don't tell me say buy makeup or magbo. I just sit down so much small now. It may well when I want to buy baby face. But as I can swell up, I don't know as I do. Now they get me so. Frank will face saga is shadow. Now they get me. The thing they pay me, Frank the saga me I no fit talk. Me your dear, I know they bear that pain because I don't want to offend her. I know say anything will make me saga Frank, me and she go get problem. I already know. So me your day my own pain. She can't carry Ipa Ibizugbe come me say Ipa Ibizugbe the saga Frank. She not gonna know how she go tell me say Queen based on me and she don't get issue for grand about Make me go fight one girl where go the friend Frank. Me say me no dey go. So she can't just pass corner, can't tell me say, so now you go tell if I Bizugbe make all the saga people where they around me, like who be the people where they around you, where by Bizugbe saga for this media bed. And the first don't please they crush all this war. Una they get me. We take on like me go they see which people they around you by Bizugbe call the saga. Me they around you. I know your family. Who again? Who they around you again with by Bizugbe call the saga? If not be Frank. And now Frank start to drag this man first. And now Frank start to drag this man first. Every time you go tell by Bizugbe, no answer Frank. Queen, no answer Frank. But this boy, you know if you tell her now your guy on still the date on a day. You know if you tell her say how far they not talk to you, may you pack well. You know if you tell her. You know if you tell her. So when she all bring a by Bizugbe issue come, as I look say the thing won't cause problem. As I look say the thing won't cause problem. Now I can call a by Bizugbe. Though if I play I won't finish, I will tell you now, me with a by Bizugbe conversation. May I play I will not talk.
Queenie, you dey busy. When I'm a day busy 24 hours. You are gear. When you are gear 24 hours.
I don't know say my wear this about
if Frank is Sagawe. If Frank is not Sagawe. What $50 go fine. Or when you $1 go. I beg. Rose, you are total. Come you are total. I know the verse on you. I know the verse on you. I still love you. I love everybody. You are still my Dora. Anything. You are still my Dora. My wife, what am I going to shop in there? You pay shop in. One man more. Una oni Bizugbe ya ate boni. E maya no si kaime kuni. Where?
You see? That was the issue. Una de year. She not talk now say, oh hama mwe una ya tie bome o. When she can't tell una for social media say me they insult her. Una they hear the way some people tell they behave for this life. She now not because she cannot even tell me say na me I got the saga. She not fit tell me because she knows say nothing like that happen. Where people can go, they change the narrative. Even if this woman tell you, you no go use your brain. I tell most of una say, una no know this woman no reach me. I know her. If she talks something, I know the one will be true. I know the one where I need to cross check. I know the one I will take do something. Okay, the swear when me can go swear for una, go na take life for my head. Say, a queen gboma no where say yes, a queen na gboma no where say yes. When me can verse, go swear for una. I don't want waka with that swear now. Because you are hearing from the woman now say, me and she no get problem. If the reason why she dey talk, she said me go tell by Bizugbe, me by Bizugbe con the saga people way near her. Which is Frank. Now our quarrel be this. We make the old media they shake 100 years when he no hear word for any place. Now so you reach so. As I heard they tell you so now so the matter reach oh. When she don't follow all the media talk. Where the happiness even some men for Germany where beside those one were sharp. It may mwe bog belly boom. Bo I papilo young bear say. Now so the matter reach you. Now let me tell you what happen. Let me take it to. I will play this one again. May I play what happen to me with a by Bizugbe.
This is the audio. I said voice note. She called me. She said I miss any Bizugbe. But she even sent me voice note. If it's needed, I'll play it. She wanted to blackmail me with that if Bizugbe audio. Like Bizugbe the saga her. Queen, now you tell Bizugbe me go the saga me. Why I tell Bizugbe me go saga you? Wait till consign me. I don't even know say Bizugbe the saga her. Because now if Bizugbe no even saga her, Bizugbe was insulting Frank. Now Frank Bizugbe they insult. You understand? When I do see the saga, this one are the one I say for a pipe Bizugbe. I just dey laugh.
Epa Bizugbe domo le we ati meni me wale salu. Wa we to me my for me. Me no ire me no fu no say na we ati we.
This audio this one I don't play this audio for video when I don't do 1 year ago. Where would they talk about this matter? When she come online, come to us say, now because of say she said she not go give us money again. Now make we come they cry online. I was forced to play this video audio when I sent for a Bizugbe beg a Bizugbe no saga Frank again. But a lot of people thought I was lying. Say not be waiting really happened be that. That was why I play our own today. Me una hear where she talk and say, me can go tell by Bizugbe. Me by Bizugbe ton de saga ha. Waiting I know if you do. Now Frank go bring a by Bizugbe wife come out for Christmas. Say the zip where we are dance with the family. Frank say she said the zip open. Me no see any zip open. Or na drag over here. As they do us as usual, they insult me, insult a by Bizugbe. Because of say the woman they close to us. Everybody know that one for this media say, now what if Frank they do? If you know say the woman they where you dey, you'll begin to saga you. That one aside. So when she dropped that audio for me, I was forced to call a by Bizugbe. I don't ever talk this thing before. And she called me say by Bizugbe the saga her. Me, I can't call by Bizugbe say, you leave Frank. Me no say no be she by Bizugbe the saga. Now Frank by Bizugbe the saga. And me no say that saga they pay her. She want to stop it. She don't know how to do it. She come blackmail me. Use me to go stop that saga. Really, now me stop that saga. When I listen to waiting the voice note.
This is the audio I said voice note. She called me. She said I miss any Bizugbe. But she even sent me voice note. If it's needed, I'll play it. She wanted to blackmail me with that if Bizugbe audio. Like Bizugbe the saga her. Queen, now you tell Bizugbe me go the saga me. Why I tell Bizugbe me go saga you? Wait till consign me. I don't even know say Bizugbe the saga her. Because now if Bizugbe no even saga her, Bizugbe was insulting Frank. Now Frank Bizugbe the insult. You understand? When I do see the saga, this one are the one I say for the pipe Bizugbe.
When I listen you, thanks for
Epa Bizugbe domo le we ati meni me wale salu. Wa we to me my for me. Me no ire me no fu no say na we ati we na we emi bo we je we understand. Frank na ni agbon we mi ba ene wu danu. Man, we are going to drag the banner. How do you know you can't turn your money? We send no abie. Oh, later, lo. Frank, what may Frank you are going well later, lo. Frank you are going. What buffet mate boy? You know, so I would only on my bone. Oh, it is. It's a pie. It's a bamboo. Me like it now. We too. Yeah, so one day actually we want.
Even all those periods, a voice me mame donc pas nous ya clair. Pas me. Ah! Hey, Mary. All those periods, no day when my voice clear. Bami bass, boss. Et je me worry. Ah! No. So, my people, now the video, I be the audio when me forward because if Bizugbe was live, the saga Frank. I call her, no pick. I can't drop this voice note for Epa Bizugbe say, Epa, you know say Frank head no correct. A boy and on your magbon, where's Obo? Leave her, no they follow her, they talk. And you and Frank want to exchange word from media. And then if you let Epa Bizugbe know, now say, the lady accused me saying and me saying make it come they fight. Frank. And then if you tell Epa Bizugbe, because you look and say, no need. What's waiting copy, no need now. Because the woman already see waiting happen. Say na Frank bring that Epa Bizugbe wife come outside first. She see and say Frank even the saga me join. She know everything. Before any present her entire life, she don't reach there. So I just look and say, no need to consider the type of say she accused me, say, now me saying you. Because everybody see what thing happen, say, now Frank fair bring a Pai Bisugbe wife come outside. Pai Bisugbe come tell and say, Uka where before, he go they look you. But this time around, he go beat you. Nobody go fit stop him. Now they get. I can't send this voice note give a Pai Bisugbe. Make una see what a Pai Bisugbe reply me after I beg and make he stop saga with Frank. Make una see what a Pai Bisugbe reply me. Okay? Una listen.
Agree. And listen. Person where everybody knows saying are goats. This was the voice note I sent to a Pai Bisugbe. Now I'm gonna listen to a Pai Bisugbe response. Pai Bisugbe, like I said, Egui, Iggy
Please,
where
thumbs up and share.
Egui, see a Pai Bisugbe response.
Now they listen.
Oma ye uengi maweme mateo ni kwekwa malasta doro yeme kwenya this what to do na malasta wa na yawe mama kuwa ma kwekwa bet well we understanding me thank God who understanding me you see ane what we see ane
Una here?
How many of una here? Pai Bisugbe cut us okay, no problem. You might go egwa. Everybody see what here happen. Be not taught to be not taught to. Now Frank got the dragon for when you sit down. This one are waiting happen to us for inside house. Where people don't know. Una go the talk say na because of say he no give me with a Pai Bisugbe money. Except say that you wanna the talk na true too. If not be true, if you want ima miya hune one from una. Izu wabo. Area wase. Because if you don't know something, you don't know how something starts. You decrease, you will bring your head down. You will be like, wait till this thing take play, you go understand. No joy use because of say you the vex or person. Nobody will not sabi lie for this media. Nobody will not sabi lie. Now they get me, now go they lie, they talk rubbish. Now the real thing, the cocoa way cause quarrel, where be say one saga way full everywhere, where happiness, this one do, this one do. Now wait till cause some be this. She said me queen. Now me go tell Pai Bisugbe call the saga people way there around her. Not be even her. But she got call for somebody platform. Go they tell that one say, na me queen, con de dice, na me they insult her. She say she with Pai Bisugbe no even get problem. Oh. She said na me they insult her. He said na me and she get problem. Hey queen not your mommy. Hey queen no mighty ne weneneni. Hey queen no. I was like, yeah. Me and this woman not get quarrel. Me gata mu wa mami ne. When I dey tell no not take her from my heart. But the whole matter, the whole saga, the iye joy, it then when you will do praise now. Now I beat for the end of this video. So I don't want to start to the beat now because I'm just trying to make people understand. That is why they look on that and say, go station, go station, go station, go station. You look me like no. Emi yana a saga no a saga me no wadona. If I want read you shame pursue na enters. I'll let you know say those things when I get for fun are base. In short, now if you get something for fun. Now empty phone una get. Now we hold things of things. Now we get. Oh, go belwa. Una know what they do saga. Una know what the person need for saga. The person no run. Oh, who are you go no zoo? I come and just say he carry one on like this. Don't praise. Can't use your picky head. Say so. Say that receipt when me bring. Say not be your receipt. Mama Joe we don't know anything. Where you don't know person December yeah they follow you the CMA say na 2024 you know abewa. Don't praise. Not be me you can't thief abia you are number from. I dey ask you again. Don't praise. Not be me you can't thief abia you are number. Una wait tell us say me go carry juju. They call ne here what here bone. I think una don't hear waiting and be you was say I don't wait Queenie. We na yata mi bezo be. No do aro ye manisi ke me. E mi no si e zoni ma. E na hu. Ya to re ni ma. Now waiting as in just sumo rich so. Pankara like this so. We una come media. Don't prince una do gwa bie wa ma me the case. Wani ga mo bowo be matter ni. Wana fie narrative ni we or we yen yidi ho ni yan na do agbe. Ige uwa mo sojo o mo popa ya emusa. Ili uwa popa o wa ya emusa. Except that thing won't talk not true. Igoni no pa no de mo we ho la di odo we ho we na. E bo ni nu we tie ni. I don't care what you swear that you do for. E bo ni if word ye don't prince. Ever say no you bobo. Ni we or ye. Iye jo e no ho ye e bo ni ye ve wana tota wana vaoge wana moge ladia wa ile ya wa mami rita wana do a construct oge wana do to spoil my name. I dey look una sis. Why I don't want to play all these things? Because I want to save Abiyiwa some face. Even till tomorrow, I'm still trying to save her some face. Any boni yen fi we where be say me and she. Our sister, even this conversation, our sister version there. For this same matter, so our sister version there. Me the only buy uko. Me the only buy uko. You guys are stupid. Wana to wasa tibu menidia. Uwaga menele gani kenongata. Emana ma wese no man ina uwa na azuo. If you know Abiyiwa, you go know. You know they use math as some money. Talk less of say now when she go contact say she don't feel give you again or hide those CSO. Now she go sit down and he go tell you yeah if she fit say she'll buy you food. She fit say she'll buy you water. She fit say she'll buy you slippers. She fit say she'll buy you clothes. She fit say she'll buy you anything. Not be you go ask her. Even the conversation where we they talk now, we just they talk normal conversation. She don't already put money inside say it's time where we are the whole no ya mo store. You hear what she thought say, oh no me go near ya mo store. You hear her? Now she by herself they declare anything we want to go say go do one for you. Oh we when we now well why you like now ya me I just they look many of una they laugh. Una receipt I go bring her come out. Ooh la la mama joy. As una take conspire eat that woman money. So till una say me she go carry juju. Waiting Abiyiwa go carry juju for. Now be this. This is the real origin of waiting little juju. Honestly, any ana ya mwebo. Yes. As when you hear media, why gas when you eba? Eba no do ba owe. Uwiya via umairi honiya. Or some con they say na like this, some say na like that. When they woke, wa tie boyo, wa we no payo, una ya tie bo. But you know deep down in you, you know where truth dey. Deep down in you, you know where be the truth. Make I play at this thing again, my people, for those that are just joining. I'm not playing this, mind you, I'm not playing this. Who she can't swear for? We don't know. She can't swear for people where they call her name for media now. She swear, this way where she just swear. Now the wrong thing to do. She not supposed to do it. But because you know say anybody where near Mama Joy must this way. Eva nou la la na ve mige. Eva nou la la na ve mige. Eye Joy na la dian do atale rubbish. Ira zang banzini. Iye Joy tie dan we Frank. Iye moso mire yo ao. To vie yo ve live video. Iye Joy to so ye ve Frankie ve live video. O tie dan. Abiyiwa o ma kene gen era jona ko buye Joy. They told even if a man that see came or what family okay or what by immediately. Iye Joy was the wrong choice. Iye Joy also no koi no Abiyiwa. Iye Joy na she was for revenge. Or revenge. Ora revenge ni Frank where I was your UK. Tiye jo era revenge me now. Iye jo to vie yo. Una not see the video when I post this morning. Make I show now. Egbo my video on your matekeke na bia you asiko at all. Make I fair play this abia you are again first. Wa no woman forgive me.
Busy.
Wa no woman forgive me. Abia you waga tamame. We ain't forgive me. Igi ain't forget. I'm still Adora. Or atamame. That is, I don't know some. I want it. Una way say no forgive me. Abia you wanna you know ya tamime. Igi ain't forgive me. Igi mavi nezo. Igi I'm still a daughter. Wana de social media. Wana do new bella dia we queen. And we ain't forgive you where. Queen, and we ain't forgive you where. Who will not babia you wa. Or nya buwa. Biaha. Who will not babia you wa. Or nya buwa. Who will bia you wa. Or at you wamu. Then why ya popo woni wa ma giegbe oho then no why ko wa si manai or why ko bu family or by immediately iye jo na we yin manager revenge ya frankine nye we during the process of that revenge a platform iye jo or ya tie bolovi o kan iye jo matter my we my bogbo your kan the platform even iye jo wa gba self a 56 years old woman yi sokin I don't wa be sokin wa be social media na you boy na te kapishi sokin he just alogwa. Oh, be ani so ke mwa goloria na okay le vitally. Ya vie ya la dian. We me mi ropa. Why give you updates? Ya gi eje ya yo ya ogi eje. Ya yo ya ogi don pretty. E sa gi ma phone. Just like that. Until say don't finish. Bi e ka wa gwa ku. Ere ne de. Iwo ko na di me iwe chin. We ga we dozu wa but like wetin I come dey do. If you be no me, I was on my own minding my business. Oh, well, not my way queen here forgive you when you are still my daughter. I don't first talk this thing 1 year ago. Where did this a voice one they play so? I told you guys, me and she not get issue. May she just there. Thank God. I just want to have my peace. Frankie, anytime Frankie asks about me, or when I with me now, with the I took that decision and I stayed on my own. And that was the reason why she left and because of people why no saga and I was okay. One made that be me. But here joy. Una word change the narrative. Ya is a boy. Erisi tu la la diaba. Erisi tu la miari la diaba. Where is a so? Biaka. Mona listen.
Queenie, is they busy?
Mona listen.
When are they busy 24 hours?
That's all.
You are here. When are you
Mama 24 hours? Thank you, Benji.
Mama say not here.
It's the best analyzer. See, she go dey laugh.
Queenie, is they busy? When are they busy 24 hours? You are here. When are you here 24 hours? Mama say not here.
She can see this saga.
A Frankie Sagawe. A Frankie no Sagawe. What $50 go fine. I couldn't get $1 go. I beg. Ruth, ya tota. Come ya tota. I know the verse on you. I know the verse on you.
Una here? Ve no tiny. Ora se me sene. She know the verse for you. Why not even when you a queen the verse for you? A queen not forgive you. Who will not bad the all take believe you yourself is more better. Because no why ya zije, wana ya mo ye politics, wana ya je bossier you. No pana when eti doctor ye or daffy or begging me in the future, in the nearest future. Wa ye joy. No way to revenge. A video no why revenge. Yak baby, ye joy. Itamawe, unegi agbeme, ubeleme, ubabie you wane, unaigo we mene godotare, one and only, Nihana igae godotare, last woman standing because of money ne don prince, ovie don prince is a or more than him, or more no bije, or ovie don prince in him. So I call it by, ye joy, when I we me. Imanaiti yak bolo. the social media man ki awe we vu we ku iye tun awe iye tun awe because a man yomenye we kwene ko na kyo man e dia wo yobo ona 56 years old ko na kyo man e ge ya wo yobo ya you be value wow with a saga who defia wu ya I who defia wu we o na tai we e kwini igo me odori eme igo me ori eme igo we de wo iye kwe beta wu yaje be mo stop by enemy so fani saga Frank me na we dia wawu ni wawu ma ve Frank ko ikwa de na because me set is egbe e ma people like una when they watch me even though you dey bear something he gave you feel bear and rich even una because of poverty go marry big man he get where you chop that big man money rich you come dey hate the man self you no even need that money again or one thing you understand you come need your freedom iye joy no wa na po ngbu e nu gbe o nu wi agun oni seji we man forgive you do damn you audio no memen wa you people have ni time wa you will just make even wa men luwa even na bien wa be le luwa ta be luwa ni mebe me luwa no lele me ta be luwa ma tu wa ya to gwi me u wa wi azuzuzuzu ma tu wa ma no refoni me to go u wa o emi ni mezie le lopo ni wa setting emi ya ni mewu never say ya ni mewu ne no wa ya do gbi meba na ige pa bisu gbe saga Frank mo gi e a saga meba o a ya re si ji me o a de biscuit de queen o a de shigomi ne o a we no pa ne o e yo sena wa setizi o a gbi na gbogbo ara gbon a wu dan mama. Listen to her. Oh, we ain't man forgive you, oh, we ain't man forgive you, where damn you. Oh, you are still my daughter. Daughter. That you do you my J school, Guadalajara, no translate, no. Daughter. Damn you, say. Get it, the color.
Still love you. I love everybody. You are still my daughter, anything. You are still my daughter. My wife, go to my wife, my shop, ya pay shop.
Just look at her eyes. Azin.
Mama, una uni bizu be ya ate boni e maya no si kai me kuni.
You see? I don't even do the woman anything. Now me say bizu be go dey sort people way near her. No. She not even talk na say bizu be sort her. When I come out. E ma na we say na iwa mwe bogbuwa duwa ma na nu wan ime mwe bogbuwa ebome emugbuwa waya when waya accuse many except why go do take why do you know what confess ken wari if not who ha de lopopa because a matter ko ni ti here gbe yo a matter ni talk because I was like Oni may support, or only may help, only may that is. Wana ya change your mind. Wana ya time when I was a guy, mama tawa told you, especially don't preach no you we're not be among we were not bushy. We were not bushy or we were in. There were my son at way na children. There we went in ya. Even no good bijota. Ovi o ka twin. Me sunu pono ki o gbele ma wani saba me la o. Bona ya we godmother abi pono ga me godmother poni godmother re. Wo ba ye gbe mo we di oni. A ko be mu gi o ma we ni amu. Wa tu wa gun. Oyu gbogbo no o wa evasi. Ojo bo je o le buruku. Ga gun wa ki ye jo no ro. Iye jo pe ma hi mu we niyan. Bi you go ma forgive you we. O yin ma forgive you we. Yo bagun wenu lawa egun me do ya so bi o han gbo agbo ewe u ya de mo bi ko ba nu ya boni sere wo wa ba gun mo gogu we mo ida o sa mo gogi wenu gbe o iyi soke mo gogi wenu lo di adi ba gun na wa bi soke wa no gugbo ya ba soke nu gi eke na amu soke yi be da gbo we na nu sun wu ye joy na gbe gbu e a lo di adi ba gun e dede si Azin, mon no Manuel Lobo we social media na. Iye joy. Man no Manuel Lobo we social media na. Oge ni mama. Ari kwa bogie. A society nene min wa jenana mi wa temata. Wa so narrow line. Iye joy. Mi agi we no yo bo ayawu. Ukun ifo ha. Ibieka. Mi agi we no yo bo ayawu. Ukun ofo ha. Awa bera bijwa. Ya so we me bula la. Oulala ne fake native daughter. Baby no eh. Den oulala. E video lala i saloba ya blog eh. I joy ma oni egbo eh. Gwaleke no size we di egbo eji. Then wa ko yo bo we na seka nu na. Eke no size we di egbo e wa. E mi no sunu ni ma wa bia wa ure wa. E water. Ma wa bia wa me gwi ne we ke on. So you bogun. He said they say ewe gita. Mana or even in ya sunwe. Mana or me evidence even in ya sunwe. Imaronga bia you are every man. May our perfect soul rest in peace. Okwoni was a good woman, but she was misled by Iye Joy Don Prince. Avec greedy people now. A boy adoré ses vents. Et Don Prince you bobo vas of your honey ho in a dupo honey. Et Don Prince Iye Joy, Don Prince Iye Joy. Avazin o enoro do wanzi no rototo anini ojeyi oji enu o amamuwa. Why you get Facebook ya wa mamie size wa e boni memu gbuwa. Wayano, a platform mini, nana wate mini. Me, waga pastoral hardship. Why can okede, mowa due. Yaha, momwe bome buwa. Ya no ma, if no bome, I post a media. I already a beg yoma, amwe boma. Uwa bamoge, I was having the evidence in a mubuwa. I have Zoe. Zoe. Anybody or I'm wrong go bumi anybody no wrong get boni ya winner. Wa go wa zeda. Iye jo no do laga. Awu ye ma fa give you where iye jo do drown you. Awa bisoke wa ogun ha bisoke ogun ba ha bisoke isoke ha fi awu asawa gba sawa ere nu bie omo na ero wodo le kwemu wo ye pay assessment no wi wewe webu we do agbo megun wa we ni me ya legi jimese mo fi awu wa gun. When me ya miji meko bosse, where is ye men or maybe I get the day more so I have vigo crebo. When me ya legi messe, bell no ye keven we yekna, a boo ye pay us night or more than be not be a vafilo quabona, not be a vafilo quabona. It didn't have la diamba, ye more weze. Eh, la woman, you wipe on your boss say, I'm we. One. Well, you may not more saga. Wa daughter or hater or women not be audio me honor ya be audio and people no wetin Mama Joy can do. She can go dey play audio of where me for talk say Mama Joy not do me anything. I can't go the Sagana Atiti not do me anything. I can't go the Sagana Dominion not do me anything. I can't go the Sagana. Guys, let me take you guys back during the time when me and Frank they play. Yeah, when I see everything the way it happen one by one. Anybody will just do any like Dominion if they close to Frank. The other one fed they close to Frank. Wait till make me even start to insult all those people. Now they first start to insult me when me and they not get quarrel. Because say Atiti Koto say me wear black pants go see Frank. Then they start to saga me. They start to insult me. And not for they insult them. We often they look at ourselves say now we did the media. When Atiti Koto they call me black pants. Then they go carry. They call they laugh, say, hey, you understand? Let me take start to the swear for them. Let me take on the swear for them till they beat them. You understand? Because all of them self come the saga the woman at the same time. They saga me. Me too come the saga them back. When me and Frank come fall out, we'll not be friends again. Everybody don't move on. This woman, this late woman, so she can't connect with those the Dominion people for that side. And she connects with them, she with the man can't talk for them. You know, she explained to the man, they can't know themselves, they can't be friends. So she can't tell me, say, Queen, maybe you apologize to them, say, because they vex, say me insult them. I can't do apology video. Apology ni can they go with Facebook ne cake mama. Ya wa bo ni gbo eni, u ya bu. One apology you not go get from me. I go beat you for free. So I can't do apology video. So I do the apology video. Everybody can rest, including even this useless dumplings. No, Juana. All of us can't even rest. Can't you forget about the past? Can't move on. Can't you do our things? We can't you see day. When I know no accept the apology. Mama Joy. Mama Joy can't do video. Say she no accept that apology. Say me Queen need to do private. No, it's not private. And private, is it private? Maybe I should call her on phone and apologize to her. I watched the video. As I watched the video, I never let her pass that minute. As I watch her now on my live video again, say, people when I give apology, who accept, make it accept. Who no accept, wa suhu. Wa beo. Block me anywhere, more fight. Who go wa won't go. Now you get my apology. Now you want to tell me as I will take do my apology. I will give you, you know happy. Now they hear me so. Now she take this since now can they play audio say me to say me cause he not do me anything. He not do me anything. But the apology, oh, she know they play that one. Oh. The way she take even reject her, she not play. Oh, makwaya beg gonna do koyo to her. She wanted me to they call her. Most I they call now. What I want they call you for? Which business you get? Do you go back me? May you call they disturb me with your page. May you call they disturb me with your page. Abi. So my people, for those who just they join. Now so it happen. Oh. The woman forgive me. Me and the woman not get issue. Even before she buy. Me with her not get quarrel before she buy. May her perfect soul rest in peace. And this is the last time I will be talking about. Except people push me to do it. You see why no good say you they follow person they go fight. You never ask and say what he do. Aye bok boa. Person wanna come say una want fight for. Una no ask her whether she offend me or she no offend me. What it really happen? Una no ask her. Okay, this one where she talk now for a year, where she reports, where she tell me now. Did she say it online? The answer is no. The main thing wey cause quarrel between me and that late Abiwa not talk online. Say, oh Queen, when I come by bisu no do asaga me. She not talk that one online. But now wait till she tell me say, na make her the verse on me. Wanna listen.
Where? Queen, you dey busy. When I dey busy 24 hours. He was here. He was here 24 hours.
When I just start just now,
when 2:30.
This video don't show now. I've got now.
Frank is Sagawe. Frank no Sagawe. What $50 go fine. Or when they $1 go. I beg. Rose, you are total. Come you are total.
She dey make me sometimes.
I the verse on you. I know the verse on you. I still love you. I love everybody. You are still my Dora. Anything. You are still my Dora. My wife got to my wife. I'm shopping. I pay shopping. One man more. Una uni bizu be ya ate boni. E ma ya no si kai me kuni. Where?
That was my only offense. Yeah, when I say more where. Now Frank go bring a bizu be wife come aside. Pabisu go Frank over ya no ya zokere. E Frank over ya we me. I come late to my lady thanks for joining. Now they get me. That I be me for notice sake. I gi assassin yo, I gi Boko Haram, I gi nene yo. Now waiting there for your me put me this so. Or we more gear by Bizugbe no do saga. No, this one, she not even talk and say by Bizugbe saga her. Or woman no sick here. So we are gonna forget the narrative when they talk online. Say, mana ya saga, una give her platform, she call they talk. Why you see una life? E body mugbuwa, all senu wa wuye, all senu wa van, all senu wa wota, all senu wa son, all senu wa vie yore. Wa webi yeki, all senu odawo, wa webo dawo, all senu webi yeki. Ya batia obase. Ya batie obase. Iye joy yo bogun enu lawa. Oma forgive you where? Oma forgive you. You hear now say this was our last. As in, I don't know as I want to talk and my boy there. This was our last conversation. Now after this conversation, everybody move on. Everybody move on. They do a sote, they go give her my brother phone number. Don't Prince, make I tell you. That my cousin, so where they France, where they give you my brother number. Where you call the Zuo, they call my brother. Though I don't call your senior brother. And I don't call your senior brother, I don't record them. Feel like go tell them, they don't use phone again. Me, I don't, what I need from now. A family history where a family when we are new. A history is loaded. Memory for you see that I want to tell you one thing I say. You see that my cousin so not be even my cousin. Maybe we just did one circle for house. Then no not be even now because now everybody don't upgrade. I don't know whether then they upgrade for their family, but maybe when the time come, yeah, you go no say asegbewo. And that time you go no say you don't betray your guy. Obey why you be. Me, I want to let you know now. Say, I know the video. No be say I don't know. And that one, me, I play along with that one. Say, I don't know what it is up. Even when he called me last, is it 2 weeks ago? I dey play along. I do like say, I don't know what it is up. Iwa aro wa yobo. Ofin wakin. When I be water. Oh, ofin wakin. Iga aro wa yobo. You know why we no say na ro wa yobo? Because in here way e dia ya machete to nyanwa. Ni aya budeza wa filokwa. That my cousin so, not even my cousin. We not from the same family, but we dey one circle. Yeah, we dey one village. Now one village we dey. That boy so, you know, and I name start from O, but I don't know the way they call her. Tell her say, me, I don't know since. Say now they give you update. Now France they now they France. Now they give you updates. Your updates na fake. They hear me so. Your updates na fake. He no fear. He go give you my brother number. You know you go they share my brother number. They go. He gave me you make that investment. A phone number to a hand. He will post your line. I feel you tell my friends. I'll say me they go they call in your Even if they don't know what they want to give them, the married ones where they decide, when they go the same pecus they give them. The women where they made the same bola they give, even though they don't mass, when they same bola they give them. You don't know. You don't know say I feel doing. I be powerful too, so not be joke. What ya zuo, what ya nene lega, mona they look face. Me when keep una quiet, all this one are the craze up and that. And when you get go near, e body mu buwa mu bibi what all send wa. Because the whole world now don't hear truth of waiting happen. And this one are just a little bit because I don't want to play audio of somebody where not deal with us again. I don't want to put her again for all this issue. You understand? But you see you and that my cousin, not even cousin, that boy so where they feed you. So I go do now too dirty. Tell and say I know say now they feed you. I know. Tete. person when you tell don't priest, now tell me say now him. Anyway, ya me aware say. If papa has it, don't they go almost Owaneda Hendrix. Don't they go almost about how many years? Don't they go almost how many years? I don't take. Ina when ya video, ya dead boy ya video ya go. Eya ye go. I mean, if you don't video, you can't. Era iwa collapse. They go video everything come for me. I will not them. Or said any go oni. That one. Your passing trap pass. Hey, story why with my warning. Na story see better pass that one. Me want let you know.